What I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
Yeah, but what you do find is they share commonality across the board in terms of their emotional attributes. One of the inefficiency of linguistic models is lexicon.
You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
Logical, subliminal now information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example is
just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Look, projection, 1949. And at the end, I like to go, okay, on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you a deep back.
Chili.
Chili. Dog. I call him Chili Dog.